When I see something weird, I still don't have the amount of subscribers that are supposed to get me those good metadata functions. However, I was starting to be glad or happy with Twitter because, oh look, they are generating the good stuff. But then I tweet the, huh, what? Just before, one tweet before, and like 2 hours ago, I received the message saying, "Yeah, your tweet was sent, yay!" But it was nowhere to be found. If you, fortunately, I saved it on the clipboard, but my tweet isn't there. My tweet is nowhere. And what's happening now? It's not letting me tweet. Wait, what? Something went wrong. But don't fret. Let's give it another shot. Well, maybe they are doing changes right now, so I don't know. Is that what's happening? Don't they have a separate development server like normal people have? But okay, I'm just going to keep that tweet on my clipboard and well, in my notes. Where are they? Boom, there you are. And try again tomorrow. Tomorrow. Oh, is Twitter one of those guys? The Tomorrow Gang. Not today. Tomorrow. Are they? Whatever. I still got work. Like, wait, I'm done with the tutorial introduction. And I got other things to do, but I wanted to publish this right now. What's going on, Twitter? Well, thank you very much for all your hard work. Anyways, see you next time. That was a UX fail, by the way.